Hey everyone, it's Julie with Mint Personal Chef, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make the famous Disneyland Dole Whip recipe. So let's get started. Alright, so to start, we will take our pineapple and turn it on its side so that we can cut off either end. So chop that right off. And these slices you can simply discard, or you could use this as a garnish for something. Alright, next we're going to trim around the whole pineapple. So you're going to want to angle your knife a little bit, and you're simply going to follow the shape of the pineapple. If you see some spots here, that's okay because we're going to cut those off. Alright, now what we're going to do is from the top down we're going to cut it in half. So, and then we're going to cut it into quarters so that we can take the core out. So now, you're going to take one of the quarters, you're going to take your knife, and from the side, be very careful with just holding the very top of it, and you're going to remove the core of the pineapple. And I'm just going to do a large dice because we're going to blend it up for the Dole Whip. Time to make the Dole Whip. All right, so we have our frozen pineapple here, and we're just going to, I'm gonna use my Ninja, but you could use your blender if you have one. And so it says for about a cup. And we're gonna take some coconut milk. And 2 teaspoons of powdered sugar. Yum! So delish! If you want more amazing recipes like this one, then hit subscribe. Thanks for watching!